Whoa!
But it's so beautiful, and I've done so many different shots here, meditations, 360 cameras. I just had to take a chance. Hopefully, I won't lose this, and we'll get some great shots. Here we go.
Since it's so loud, I got this thing right up next to my neck, so we'll see how that works out. All right, it's got 15 satellites. Oh boy. Get the look down here. We'll move it over and then we're gonna, well, let's get it up higher. Move it out. This is the fun part. Turn it. And we'll fly forward. Turn it around. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Here I am. Hopefully this isn't the final flight. Move it forward. All right. So far, so good. We'll lower it down a little bit. Take it a little more forward. Actually, I'm going to turn it around. Whoa, come on. All right, we'll back it up a little bit. Bring it down. Boy, this is really dicey. And fly it forward. Oh, we're going to get it over here a little sashay to the other way. And we'll fly it forward. Hold on, let me get angle right here. Whoa! I'll get it up a little higher. Over water, it gets a little dicey about what it wants to do. All right, we're going to fun run it. Should be able to keep the height. Seems to be climbing. Get it down. A little more, other way. Down. A little more. Lower. Run it. It's going over to the side. Come on. Can't see it. All right, I'm going to turn it around. Fly it back so I can see it. Whoa! All right, it's going towards this. I want it out towards the water. All right, I know that rock, even though I can't see it. I'm flying blind. There we go. Found it back into my visual range. Raise it up a little bit. And we'll go forward again. Ah. Whoa! Raise it up. If it gets on those rocks, I'm hosed because all right, raise it up a little bit, pivot it. Shoot. And rotate it and just do a straight down shot. See how that works out. Down. And this will be, well, I'll bring it down a little bit. Go forward. Whoa! All right, up. Okay, I'm putting in a little up stick. Rotate. Getting close to that tree, I gotta get it down. Orient it a little bit more, different. I think I'm gonna bring it back. What did I learn through that whole experience? First of all, holy crow. A little nerve-wracking, because if this thing goes down in that water, never to be seen again. I got some good runs. I noticed as I sped up, went over the Whitewater, over here at this rock, right there, it almost hit the rock. Not sure why, the sensors didn't pick up on it. I almost put the floats on there, but I figured based on my float experience, and I'll post a video up there in case you're interested, the floats cancel out the collision avoidance. So I didn't want to do that on this run. But I got some good runs, feel good about it, and I've got the drone back, which was the major objective of this test. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of evaluations of technology, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what test and environment you're going to see.